when it comes to storage, SanDisk, this is what I recommend. I have several of these. When you record in ProRes RAW, like this video that's being recorded right now, it's very storage heavy. So you're going to have to buy many storage options. And this is my favorite because of its ruggedness, right? I can count on this. This is not going to fail because it's SSD, and what it means is that it's a hard drive that doesn't have a solid state, which means that it doesn't have moving parts in there, so it's shock resistant. Some other storage options have moving parts, and therefore there's a possibility that the disk, because it's a disk, actually sometimes when you have one of those external disk, it's actually a disk that spins, and the reading process requires it for it to move, and that movement sometimes it leads to failure. So I buy these all the time. I recommend it. This is my favorite brand because I feel that they are really they're really resistant. So it says here that is IP65 water, so it has some resistance to water. I mean, don't drop it in the water, don't in the pool. It does resistance, right? And when it falls, they guarantee that if it falls, I mean, you don't abuse it, but if it hits, it's not going to jar the insides. It's not going to break. This is plug and play, so once you open it, you connect it into in the case of the Mac, you connect it in and it's ready to use. So in this case, I bought the 2 terabyte disk. And the only hard part of buying these things is opening it. So I'm gonna show you how I do it. So what I do is I do this first, right? And then I put my hands in there and I start feeling, right? You see? And that's the easy way to open. Because if you try to cut with the scissors, this way is difficult, so you don't need this. You see? So now it's open. This is, I wish you could feel this, right? It's rugged. This thing takes a beating. Some of them come with a hook. You can buy this separately. You can buy, like, put it in a keychain or something so that you can connect it to other stuff, right? It comes, of course, with the instructions, the USB-A adapter, right? And the cable, which is USB-C to C. So this is what it comes with. You see? This cable, this adapter, right? And then the disk, which is very sturdy. I super recommend this. This is my go-to storage option. You connect it here, and if you have an older computer, then you put that adapter here, and that's it. It's ready to go. It comes with, some of them come with a software for you to rescue in case that you have a problem with lost files, that you can rescue it. I've never had to use that program, but it comes with a license for that little software. So super recommended. SanDisk, industry standard when it comes to storage, especially solid state storage. Super recommended.